A Midair collision between an Army helicopter and an American Airlines regional jet claimed the lives of all 67 people on board. The crash, which occurred late Wednesday near Ronald Reagan National Airport, killed 60 passengers and 4 crew members on the plane, along with 3 soldiers aboard the helicopter. The crash site was found in the icy waters of the Potomac River, and recovery operations shifted from rescue to recovery the following day. The collision marks the deadliest aviation disaster in the U.S. in nearly 25 years. The crash took place just over 3 miles from the White House, in one of the most heavily monitored airspaces in the world. The military helicopter, a Black Hawk, was reportedly flying at an altitude of 200 feet, but it's unclear if it exceeded this limit. Federal officials and the National Transportation Safety Board are investigating the cause, with the cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder recovered from the jetliner for analysis. The conditions were clear at the time, but air traffic control procedures and the timing of staffing in the control tower are under scrutiny. President Donald Trump expressed grief for the victims but also criticized the Federal Aviation Administration, without evidence, accusing the agency of hiring underqualified personnel under diversity initiatives. The American Airlines jet was making a normal approach when it collided with the helicopter, which was in a flight path familiar to the experienced pilots of the Black Hawk. This crash has left many in shock, especially in Wichita, Kansas, which had several passengers on board, including a group of elite figure skaters. The last major fatal crash involving a U.S. commercial airline was in 2009, making this incident one of the most tragic in recent history. Investigators are still piecing together what went wrong, as the airspace near the airport is notoriously challenging for pilots.